Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I'm here with a very good news about the Forex trading trend indicator. So first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, because I will be going to give you a very good, useful content for your Forex trading on a daily basis. So guys, as you know that we are working into the Forex market for the longer period of time, and we are working on different things and we are testing different things. So guys, today I'm going to launch this trading indicator that is called Forex Trend Dashboard. Okay guys, so how this indicator works, it's just simply works like other indicators that you already have in your MetaTrader 4, but it's a mixture of the indicators that are providing you with the concerns about the trading market. So for example, let's say right now I'm on the Euro USD chart right now. Okay, now when, for example, most of the traders, even when we talk about the newcomers, they are especially very much confused at what could be the possible trend of the market. So they do not know about the trends. So this indicator will help you to understand the trends of the market. Now for example, look at here guys, it is showing you the trends on the different time frames, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. So if you are a day trader, then you will consult the daily time frame. So for example, it's telling you up on the daily time frame, and if you look at the Euro USD daily time frame, then you can see that the market has already made an upward move today, and we can obviously see it from that. Okay, so looking up onto the weekly, so if you are a swing trader that you also plan to trade on a weekly basis, like 2 to 3 days trade. So for example, let's say I'm going to open a chart on Euro USD. Now you can clearly see that, look at here. Do you think that this candle is going to be bearish? Overall, no bearish signs at the moment. That's why this trend dashboard is already telling you that I am up, and there is no down sign even on the Euro USD. So that's why it's up. So overall, if you look at the candle, so just put your own judgment as well. Do not fully rely on the indicators. These are the useful tools that a human made for each other, so that we can help each other, but overall you have to put your own judgment as well. Now look at the weekly chart. What the weekly candle looks to you, it's completely bullish. So it means that it is telling us something correct, like that weekly it's up and with no down signs. It means that the market has chances to get a growth on the weekly chart. So that's why I can say that it could be a bullish option on Euro USD. So this could be a good trend indication from its side. Okay, looking at New Zealand USD, so guys, look at here on the higher time frames and even on the maximum time frame, that is telling you the upward direction. So on the daily it's up, and on the weekly it's up. So let's have a consult on the weekly chart. Now guys, look, the weekly candle is still into the middle. It has gone nowhere, nothing bearish and nothing bullish right now. But look at here, the trend indicator dashboard is telling you that I have to go into the upward direction. So it could be a good option, that for example, with a 0.01 lot size or whatever lot size you choose as per your trading method, and if as per your swing trading methods. So for example, if you have taken a trade, then if the market closes up to here on the weekly basis, then you must be in a very good profit based on this indicator that is already telling you that on the weekly basis the maximum chances are for the trend is to be into the upward direction. So it will cut your maximum human judgment, and it will allow you to understand the market very technically, because the professional traders nowadays they are using such type of dashboards for their trading. So this is a very good indicator dashboard that will tell you about the recent trends. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Now guys, look at here on daily chart, it has already given you the upward sign, and if we look at the market, then we can really understand that the market has also made the upward pattern today, and it's completely went up. So on the weekly basis, now look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up and only 1 down. Okay, so let's have consult on the weekly chart. Okay guys, now it looks like that Great Britain Pound USD is ready to go into the upward direction. Look at the candle guys, look at the candle. It has made the bullish pin, and then it starts to went into the upward direction. So only 1 down signs and rest of the symbols are into the upward direction. So it means that we can go into the further upward direction. So be careful, keep your eyes on Great Britain Pound USD, because as per the trading dashboard, it is telling us that I can go into the upward direction. So guys, this is how it's indicating. Like if you look at the USD Canadian dollar right now, look, maximum of the data, if you look at here, everything is looks like down, and it is telling you the down. And look, already the market has made the downward pattern already, and going to the weekly chart where it is supposed to be down, look, still you have a very good chance to make a good profit on the week, because it's showing you to take a down position, I mean to take a sell position on USD Canadian dollar onto the higher time frame. So that's why guys, I recommend that you must have this trading software. So meanwhile, in the middle, I would like to tell you, those subscribers who are willing to get this trading dashboard, trading trend dashboard, they need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. that is my official email. Okay guys, what next? Let's have a look on the other pairs as well. Look, as USD JPY completely down, look, nothing is up, but even on the weekly basis we have 3 ups, so you need to take an eye from this. So for example, 3 ups are coming. It means that these ups must be recent, because the data was showing ups the downward trend. So you need to be careful, right? This, so for example, let's say from tomorrow, if USD JPY makes any kind of recovery, then you can take these ups for yourself, and you can go with the up trading with the buy positions on USD JPY. That's how I would like to use this indicator. Okay, now let's look at AUD USD. Simply everything, mostly of the 80% of the data is telling you that I'm into up. Daily is up, and yes, daily is completely up, and even weekly is up. And even if you go to the weekly chart, still the weekly candle is not very much clear, but the trend indicator is already telling you that the possible signs are into the upward direction. Now it's completely based on your choice what you want to do. You want to take a weekly trade, you want to take a daily trade, it completely depends on you. You can do scalping as well, but mostly you know that I'm not much in favor of scalping on the lower time frames, because my scalping starts from 1 hour. So guys, you can take a chance as well as based on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up, and the 2 downs like this, so you can trade like this. So on the USD CHF, if you look at the data, that completely down, so everything is down. Going to the weekly chart, and look, it's completely down, so it is telling you that I am into the downward direction. So there is no need to find the trend when you will already have the trend at your end. So that you must have heard this thing, that trend is your friend. So the trend will tell you that how you can capture this market. So guys, I personally believe that this indicator is very good. This must be a very good useful tool for you, and where it makes some kind of mixture. Like for example, if you look at Euro JPY, look, 2 to 3 rows are telling you that I am down, and 2 to 3 rows are telling you I am up. So you can leave such type of scenarios. Otherwise, in other cases, you can consult the other indicators that I have. You can consult the Pips Hunter that we are already using in other videos. But overall guys, this is a new thing that I want to introduce, and that's a very good thing, and this could be a very good trading. This can build your trading approach very good. So guys, if you are willing to get this trading indicator, and that's called trend indicator dashboard, so if you are willing to get this one, then do not forget to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. If you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. I welcome everyone. Thank you so much that you love my videos, and guys, I really appreciate it. So please share this content with everyone so that we can be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a good day.